Zhen Fuchuan, a 67-year-old lotus grower from Taiwan, has been exploring the industry in the Chinese mainland since 1997.
当时为什么想来中国大陆种莲花？主要的原因，因为台湾的农业台风所影响的产值非常大。那当时在1997年就想过来尝试一下这边的市场。中国大陆因为这边有很大的市场。
In 2006, Zhen settled down in Lotus Village of Tong'an District in Xiamen City. Covering an area of 120 mu, Zhen's lotus world now features more than 600 species. Over the past 26 years, besides Xiamen, Zhen has established lotus bases in many other cities of the mainland, with a total area of 1,000 mu. Lotus byproducts such as lotus tea, lotus seed bracelets, lotus bags, and lotus cups have become popular on the market.
我现在已经快70了，当然在中国大陆把整个青春都在这边耗过了嘛。我们希望我们这个莲花镇、莲花村、莲花山下的莲花是全国最好的一个示范点。然后希望什么？以后我们把这个基地变成海峡科技农业的孵化基地，为这边为中心，想从事农业的人来这边果树、莲花，因为我会退休后面的新的一代人来衔接，走向农业的科技化。